Martin Luther King Day, celebrating equality and dreams. Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Academy. Today, we're learning about an important holiday called Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Have you ever heard of Martin Luther King Jr.? Let's explore who he was and why we honor him every year. Who was Martin Luther King Jr.? Martin Luther King Jr. was a leader who worked hard to make the world fairer for everyone. He believed people should be treated equally, no matter their skin color. He used peaceful marches and powerful speeches to share his dream of a kinder, fairer world. Martin Luther King's dream. Martin Luther King Jr. dreamed of a world where all kids could grow up as equals, as friends, with no unfair rules keeping them apart. His dream was about kindness, love, and fairness for everyone. What is Martin Luther King's Day? Every year in January, we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr.'s Day. It's a time to remember how he stood up for fairness and taught us the importance of helping others. On this day, people volunteer, read his speeches, and think about how they can make the world a better place. Fun fact about Martin Luther King. Here's a fun fact. Did you know Martin Luther King Jr. was the youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964? That's because he always chose peaceful ways to solve problems. He didn't press for more war than was necessary. How can you celebrate Martin Luther King's Day? On Martin Luther King's Day, you can celebrate by 1. Reading a story about Martin Luther King Jr. 2. Drawing pictures of your dreams for the world. 3. Helping someone in your community. Together, we can spread kindness just like he did. Thank you for learning about Martin Luther King Jr. with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Academy for more fun stories and amazing facts. See you next time.